So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a refund on EasyJet. So getting a refund on EasyJet usually means going to easyjet.com. Once you're here, you can go to your bookings. So if you've canceled your flight within 24 hours of actually booking it, or you've made some adjustments to your holiday and now you want to cancel them, on EasyJet, if it's within 24 hours, usually you would get your full refund minus your cancellation fee. So you don't have to worry about that. But if it's after 24 hours, so more time has passed, you can then get it a couple different ways. So first off, you can go to the specific EasyJet cancellation and delay flights. So you can see compensation claims. You can see for compensation checks, but what you should go and check out is delays and cancellations, so you can find your specific flights that are there. So for canceled flights, you can see under manage bookings or within their app. So if you booked through a tour operator, you will also get some sort of refund on there. So what the best way would be is to actually go to manage bookings and then access the refund option on there. So you can do it by getting the flight tracker, and then once you even make that claim, you will be able to track your claim and see the entire process of the claim, where it went to and how it was processed. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on EasyJet or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.